If you're not using AI in your trading right now, you're behind. I'm passing Topstep Combines in 2 to 3 days. Cashing payouts and AI is one of the biggest tools to help me do it. Not theory, not hype, real results. And today I'm gonna show you exactly how I use AI in my process. Not to replace your trading skill, but to use it along your side to make your process faster, consistent, and way less stressful. By the end, you'll see exactly how to use AI to get better and start cashing payouts instead of resetting your accounts. When I first started, I used to reset combines over and over. I'd make money one day and then blow it all the next. Sound familiar? Over leveraging, no real position size. The number one killer, emotional trading. Fear, greed, revenge. And Topstep rules, don't forgive that. Blow past your daily loss limit, reset. Break the consistency rule, crash out, reset. It's just a cycle. But what changed for me was a locked-in process, and AI itself became a huge portion of that process. This is my AI workflow. First way I use AI in my trading is position size. Say a setup shows up and I know my entry and my stop loss. If you're familiar with the measuring tool, I measure that exact distance. Then I plug that exact number in chatgpt with my special prompt, which goes a little bit like calculate MGC, micro-gold contracts, as if my stop loss every time is $200. Then give me a 2-to-1 profit target, so that way if I get out a little bit over 50% of my contracts, I can leave a runner. No over leveraging, no undersizing, just math, handled instantly, and every time I have consistent risk management. The next way I use AI in my trading is trade review. After a session, I'll drop my trading report card right into ChatGPT. In my special chat, I asked it to be my trading coach, where it will help me pull out my patterns from losses and winners. And boom, just like that, I'm able to get feedback that most traders wouldn't get for months later. This helps me spot the weaknesses in my trading. It shows me why I keep failing. And from there, we build a process to see how I can get over this as quick as possible. Another way I use AI is mindset. Trading is about 80 to 90%, if not more, a mental game. I use AI to reframe my mistakes, build up my confidence, and help me with my mental prep work before I even hit the charts. In my new morning routine, I review yesterday's report card and we emphasize the areas I need to work on. So that way, I'm not just trading the charts, I'm trading with a new mindset of getting better and becoming the best. Now, AI exactly won't give you a trading edge. You still need a strategy and discipline. But once you have that, AI can help you remove the busy work, handles the math, and can keep your head clear as possible. And this is why I'm able to pass my Topstep Combines fast and keep my funded accounts long over time. Not because I'm the smartest man on earth, but because I have systems and it revolves around AI. AI helps me with risk management, trade review, and mindset. The real edge is consistency, and that comes from process. If you got any value, subscribe. I share my strategies that help me pass my Topstep Combines in as little as 2 days, mindset tips that help you get locked in and ready to attack the market, and real stories from my trading journey, just like this video and multiple on my channel. And if you're serious about passing your Topstep Combine, cashing payouts, that's exactly what I strive to teach inside my program. Learn the strategy or your own, the execution rules, and most importantly, the right mindset and risk management to help you pass. AI is just one piece. It is the one piece that can help you get further than your peers right now. But when you combine it with the right edge, you become powerful. So don't just trade harder, trade smarter. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.